Hi guys, what's up? Prateek here from Prehistoric Polymath, and today we are going to be reviewing and unboxing House of Marley earphones. So without wasting time, let's begin. So this is the box itself, and the House of Marley logo is at the top, and you get wooden earbuds and Smile Jamaica Wireless is written. The Smile, I like the word really, and it's FSC certified wood, which means for every earphones you buy there's another tree planted, and it has a silicone made, and it'll give a backup up to 8 hours, and there's inbuilt microphone in it, and it is Bluetooth 4.2 supported. And at the back there's nothing interesting, everything is all same. And coming to the price is 4,000 rupees for the white and 6,000 rupees for the black. Here you get an opening, and wow, this box is actually made up of magnet, and here the earphones itself, so you can see the visual representation of the earphones when you wore it. And I ordered this in Amazon actually, so the box is not proper a bit. It's because of the package damage in the package, and they have just not done a great job. So here, like, let's keep this one aside, and we get 2 ear tips extra for the larger ears, and other 2 are just in the earphones itself. And we have a boring user manual which is of no use, which I never read till today while using a product. Come on man, who uses user manual for an earphone? So let's just throw that aside, and you get a regular USB to micro USB charger. I have a better one than this, I'll use that. And let's open the earphones itself now. Wow, this has a premium feel, and this has made up of silicone, and these wooden tips are made up of wood, and the panel which connects the wood and the silicone is actually a piece of copper, and this is very rough. You can use it for the rough purpose, and it's water resistant also for 50 meters. And one thing I don't like about this is you need to keep putting the wire inside the groove which is made. For the charging part, you can open a small slot over here for the micro USB charger, and you get that slot. And for changing the next song, you need to press the plus button twice, and for the previous song you need to press the minus button twice. And when you press and hold it, as usual, like all the other earphones, your earphones turns on, and you are ready to enjoy with your songs connecting to your mobile or your laptop or on the go or anything. For a price of 4,000 rupees, this comes in really handy. I guess you really need to check these out. And the silicone made feels really premium, and it helps like really good while you're sleeping, so that you don't have any problem. And I guess that's it for this video. Prateek here, signing off from Prehistoric Polymath. See you in the next one. Until then, Jai Hind.